If you've been trying to figure out how to build a quiz funnel that connects to email sequences and you want it done fast without the fluff, this is the video you need. I've tested the most popular tools out there, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set this up step by step in under 3 minutes. Stick around because I'll also share a key detail most tutorials skip, and there's an exclusive free trial of the software we're using, just for viewers of this channel, in the description below. First, the goal of a quiz funnel is to qualify leads and send them into personalized email sequences automatically. It sounds complex, but with the right software, it's drag and drop simple. The software we'll be using in this tutorial handles both the quiz logic and the email automation, so there's no need to integrate multiple tools. Start by creating a new quiz. Choose multiple choice for your question format. It's the fastest way to guide people through the funnel. Make sure your first question is broad enough to hook them in, like what's your number one goal right now? From there, structure 3 to 5 questions that help segment the user by their needs or preferences. Don't overthink it. Simple questions convert best. Now the important part, outcomes. Each outcome should match a type of user and be tied to a specific email sequence. Label each outcome clearly. These will become your triggers. Next, go into the Automation tab and create your email sequences. For each quiz result, connect it to the appropriate sequence. For example, if someone chooses, I want to grow my audience, link that to a sequence that delivers audience building tips over a few days. You can use built-in templates or write short value-driven emails from scratch. Now connect the quiz to your email platform, or if you're using the same software for both, just select the trigger. When someone completes quiz outcome A, start email sequence A. Do that for each outcome. Before publishing, preview the flow from start to finish. Make sure every answer goes to the right outcome and every outcome triggers the correct email sequence. Then hit publish, embed it on your site or landing page, and you're live. The key takeaway here is this. A well-built quiz funnel doesn't just capture emails, it segments, personalizes, and starts a conversation instantly. If you set this up right, your leads won't just join a list, they'll enter a journey that feels tailor-made. Quick recap. Create your quiz, set up outcomes, build sequences, and link them together with triggers, all done in one software. If you want to follow along using the same tool I used, there's an exclusive free trial in the description. It's only available to viewers of Dan Thorne's channel, so take advantage of it. Now you know how to build a quiz funnel that connects to email sequences, quickly, easily, and without needing multiple platforms. Try the free trial and get started today.